Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how we can toggle the password visibility of our login page. I request you all to subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So previously we saw how we can use KeyUp event listener. If you guys didn't saw that video, you can click on this card and watch it. Now if I type here something, you can see it is hidden. But when I click on this, it will show me the password. It is very important to add this in your website's login page. It will help the user to check whether he entered the password correct or not. Let's see how we can do this. Now if I try this, it isn't working. Let's make it workable. I have got this icon from Font Awesome. To get this icon, just copy the CDN link from the description and paste it here in the head tag. And then make an I tag with this class and also add the onClick event directly here. And give it a function name and give an ID to this. Also give an ID to the input field. Now let's write the code. Make a function with the name we mentioned in the event listener. Now make two variables in it. Select the icon in the toggle variable using the ID selector. And in the pass field variable, select the input field. Now write if, and select the third if-else statement. Call the pass field variable here. And after that, type this condition. Again call the pass field variable. And write this. Now copy this and paste it here. And change this to password. Basically, the logic is, if the input type is password, change it to text. And if it is text, then change it to password. Now if we see, it will work. Now let's add the hide icon to toggle. To add it, call the toggle variable and then type class list.add. And add this brackets. And inside that write this. Then copy this down and change this to remove. And also remove this. Then copy this two lines. And paste it here. And change the add to remove. And remove to add. Basically, we are adding and removing the class names. Now if we check, it's working. That's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I request you all to like this video and share it with your friends. Also comment down some tutorial suggestions. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.